Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. I've been getting a lot of comments on the videos of just uninformed comments, really. Let me show you a couple right now. This one says, CARB is not in power. Next, California has to abide by federal law. Do they? CARB is defunded. They are dead. Is this factual information, or are people just leading people on with wrong information? Well, I'm going to start doing this every week. What am I going to do is call smog shops throughout California. I'm going to let them know, hey, I have I wrote down 2004 Accord. I have a aftermarket intake. Do I still need a CARB number if I'm going to come in for a smog? And do you guys take walk-ins? I'm going to just ask general questions like that. Also, later on, I'll ask about aftermarket cats, that I have a federal cat that doesn't have an EO number. Is it able to pass? And we're going to see when these laws actually change. First, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the ring bell, check out the video library for helpful automotive DIY videos and a ton of automotive emissions deregulations that could be possibly happening in the state of California and the states that follow California regulations. In this video right now, it is May 24th, 2025. I'm gonna make my first call to a smog shop in Pleasanton, California. Let's see what they have to say. Hey there, can you smog a 04 Honda Accord?
We can.
And I have an aftermarket intake. I'm not sure if I still have the CARB number sticker on it. Do you guys still check those?
We have to. And it has to be on the car.
Does it actually have to be on the intake, or can I just have the sticker of it like in the glove box?
You can stick it in the glove box. Well, it has to be, the rule is now it has to be affixed to the car somewhere. So it just needs to be attached to the car.
Okay, and how much would that cost for the smog?
Yeah, if it passes, it comes to $78.20.
Okay, cool. And you guys take walk-ins?
I mean, we can, depending on what time you were thinking about coming in.
I was maybe like on Wednesday. Right after work, I was thinking.
What time is that usually for you?
About 4 o'clock.
That should be fine.
Okay.
Give us a call an hour before you arrive, just to see how it's looking, but I would imagine we should be fine.
Okay, cool. You rock. Thank you for your time.
Right on.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, well, as it is right now, it looks like we still need CARB numbers on intakes. And again, I said today was May 24th, Saturday. So we'll give it a try next week. We'll do this update every week until we see a actual change. And if you guys know when this rule is actually supposed to change, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you know any smog techs that would like to do a Zoom meeting or a interview on how they feel about these rules potentially changing, make sure you hit me up in the description below, not the comments. In the description, there are ways to contact me. Either email me, text me, call me, leave me a voicemail. I will get back to you, and then just let me know, you guys. I want to know how a lot of people feel out there, and I haven't been in the smog game for a minute. I do my best to keep up on the smog emissions and regulations, but I do miss stuff out there. So comment below if you know somebody, contact me if you know somebody, or if you are that somebody. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss any of these weekly updates. I'm going to start doing them every about Friday or Saturday, and we'll see what happens. We'll put this to the test and see when CARB is actually going to lose their power. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. I will see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.